Hello, I'm Tina Bython and I'm learning how to program using Python, and I hope that you want to learn with me. So this is lesson 4 and we are going to learn about data types, string, integer and float. So here. So, for instance, books. That data type is a string. A string is a piece of data made up by characters, and it must be enclosed by quote marks. And short for string is str. Let's have a example. So example of a string or a string literal. So Matteo, that's a string literal or a string. And integers Integers, that's another name for whole numbers, positive and negative. They belong a different data type, that's it. And the short for integers or integer is int. We'll have an example. Or we could have -3 also. 35 or -3, these are integers. And so decimal numbers belong to yet another data type called float, and there is no abbreviation, it's just called float. So So 1.46, that's a float. So we can go here to the interactive mode and test some different data types straight away using this type function that will test. So if I do this type, what if I write -46? Class integer int. What if I write 6.41? Class float. And what if I write Helen? Oh, I forgot the quote marks. I have to do it, redo it. It says here it must be enclosed by quote marks, right. I know, here. Class str for string. So let's write a comment. Why should we bother about this? So, why bother? Well, because Python stores and carries out operations in different ways depending on the data type. And very soon, we're going to have to tell Python the data type. And we'll have an exercise here. We're not going to tell Python the data type just this lesson, but very soon. So, let's do suppose we want to have price, and then we write 200. So let's just go through them. Here we have a variable called price and it says €200. Is that okay or not? No, it's not. We cannot have euros here. We cannot mix 200 and a string. This is an integer, this is a string. Does not work. There we go. And here is $15. No, same thing here. Cannot mix the dollar sign with 15. VAT 35,400. No, we may not use currencies, spaces or commas. So get rid of the comma. 44.49, that one is fine. It's a float. And 99 is also fine. It's an integer. Let's do another one. Oh. I'll just write them here, I think. Right, so Nolan, which data type? I'll just print here. It's an int. 3.14, that's a decimal number, so it's a float. 2000, that's a whole number, an integer. Negative 8.2, that's a float. Negative 8, integer. Negative 1.2345, that's a float as well. And that's all for this lesson. I hope to see you again. Bye.